This is Dave with GrowAndEatIt.com, and I am here at Poppy and Patty's Blueberry Farm, right here in Florala, Alabama, right off of Highway 54. So just in the outskirts of town, about mile marker 4 out here, and we're gonna go pick some blueberries. Let's go. We are picking blueberries today. I brought my crew. We got Heather, my wife. We got Finn. Hey, Finn. So hi, Patty.
Hi, Dave. Welcome to Poppies and Patties.
Thank you.
Don't pick the red one.
It's a beautiful morning this morning.
Yeah, thank goodness.
We got
I don't like
lots of sun.
but I like picking them.
Okay, well that's fine. There's some more.
Yes, Margot has declared she does not like blueberries,
I don't
but she
know
likes
why.
picking
You
them.
like blueberry jelly?
She
Yeah.
Okay.
likes blueberries. It's a grand opening, so.
Yay. I'm so glad that people
too.
are coming and that it's not raining torrential.
Yes, Patty and I have been trying to get together for a whole week, and it rains every time. Every time, so.
Yeah. I did finally get the grass cut nice and low.
Looks
so
good.
There's no critters running
Yeah, I was
around.
gonna say, no snakes.
However, you might see a chicken out here every now and then. They come out and pick up all the ones that we drop.
Do they?
They do.
That's good.
Yeah,
It's good for them too.
It is good. It's very good.
I brought you some egg
Has
cartons.
some- Awesome.
I gave them to Poppy.
I'm slam out of eggs right now. They
Okay.
just bought my last 3 dozen that I had. So
All right. This is Aurora, my niece. Say hi.
These blueberries are huge.
Yes, they are. Here, let's get a good close up of
Really live.
some blueberries.
Look at how big those are. That's like 3 of the ones I grew
That's-
up eating. Proud to say she doesn't like blueberries at a blueberry farm.
Hey, I like blueberries now.
She's changed.
I just tasted one.
Fresh blueberries taste different, don't they?
It was really bad.
Margo, did you have a blueberry?
was it good?
I liked it.
Whoa.
She said the ones from the grocery store don't taste as good as these.
Did she say that?
No.
Get her to say it.
I did.
That's a good thing to say.
It's true. It's actually true because
Oh yeah.
it's actually true because they pick them, you know, a little too early, and they come from a distance.
I mean,
Margo, you need to tell your
you know,
dad
we don't need to tell y'all that
the ones in the
local
grocery store don't taste
is
as
way
good as
better.
these.
Of course it is.
Isn't it? I never really thought about that.
Got a little bird's nest going on in there.
Some people come out here just for the therapeutic
I think that's good.
qualities, you know. They just
Yeah.
get out here, they listen to the birds sing, they're just, you know.
Get a little vitamin D, get that sunshine going on. How many you got in there? Let me see.
This is my second cup.
That's your second cup, man. You're a good picker. Miss Patty might have to hire you.
Dad, help me pick big.
Of course, the day I say that I don't let him play video games, he's like,
Would you say help you pick big?
Yeah.
Well, look at this. Come here. Come here. I'm gonna help you out. Look at this. Look how low those are. You can reach over there and grab them. Look at all those big blue ones. Just the blue ones. There you
I
go.
like fresh.
Yes. So we were talking about the way that the blueberry plants were planted out here. Poppy does most of the
Yeah,
planting,
Poppy
right?
does. He's really the one responsible for the planting and transplanting and pruning and all that. But he does have an irrigation system in place. So
Yeah,
in
and you
case
can't
we don't
see
get
it?
oh no,
Yeah, because it's buried.
yeah. So in case we don't get any or enough rain. We do fertilize them once a year, but other than that, we don't spray anything on them, or we kind of rely on our feathered friends for pest control.
That's
We've
great.
got some chickens running around, and you know, you can hear all the birds that are in the. They love being in here. That's pretty much it. As far as that goes, we kind of let them go a little wild this past year, so we'll be doing some pruning.
I was gonna say
after
pruning. When do you prune them?
Yeah, right after they're done bearing, we'll prune them.
Okay, so summer, middle of summer, really? The heat of summer, because they'll stop.
Yeah,
They'll stop what? a
it'll
month?
be
I'm on my way
sometimes I've picked as late as August, so you know they may last that long. Yeah.
Wow.
And we've got about 270 plants in this patch over here, and we've also planted another 250 more up there because there's been a couple years where we haven't had enough to share with all our neighbors, and we like to go
Sell at the farmer's
at
market.
the farmer's market, and there's been times when we didn't have enough to take any over there, so we thought, what the heck, we'll plant some more.
Very good. Next farmer's market's June 2nd, by the way.
It's
It's my
coming up.
birthday.
Oh, wow. Well, happy birthday early.
Thanks. I'll be
Yeah, we'll be there.
I'll be the
Poppy
big 4-0.
I think, oh, bless your heart.
I know. Still kicking.
Yeah,
I
doing
ate lots of
good.
blueberries.
There you go. Now, blueberries are so good for you. They're really high in antioxidants, and you know, they're really great for diabetics to eat. It helps regulate your blood sugar and all that.
Anti-aging, right?
Anti-aging. They get all kinds of benefits. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with a blueberry. You can eat as many and not do any damage.
Well, yeah, and it's number one,
Yeah.
right? Number one of the superfoods,
I think
commercially available.
Yes. Yep. Out of the top 40 antioxidant type foods, superfoods, blueberries are ranked up there number one.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
Yay, blueberries! All right, we're gonna take a tour of the rest of the farm in just a little bit here.
She's gonna do a dance. How about that little snack?
Little teamwork.
I do not milk the goats. I could, but that's something once you start it, you have to stick with it, and you can't, you know, and I do a little traveling, so I don't have anybody that would be able to fill in for me to milk the goats, so
Right.
I haven't started doing it yet. I usually I'm using them mostly for, you know, pasture control,
Yeah,
so I don't have to bush hog all the time.
it's nice.
Yeah.
Everything has a purpose.
And they're you know, I love watching
They're fun to
them.
watch,
I love
yeah.
it when they're having. I love it when it's baby time. They're
yeah.
the best thing.
And is that typically the same time of year?
A lot of times it is, but you know, if you keep a billy goat in with them, that could be any time.
Yeah.
I think they like to have them in the, you know, like late winter, early spring.
Yeah.
I'll tease them with the blueberries because I don't want them to get a taste for them and break down the fence. trying to get to 'em.
Because they will.
Yeah, I got some rosemary and some mint. I haven't paid any attention to it yet this year, though.
You don't have to, actually. Rosemary, you don't have to pay attention to it at all. Just let it rip. And then mint, you got oodles of mint. It's almost, it is invasive.
I know it's gross, but you can tell they eat the blueberries because their poop is blue under those roofs over there. It's really... Oh, they're in there laying eggs right now. Oh, we're going to disturb them, so we might have to come back later. It's very poopy.
I see one.
Sorry.
I see
It's
one.
all right.
You see it? Oh, okay. You
That's
can go get them.
pretty normal. Oh,
We scared them out, so... There you go. Is it warm?
Yeah.
She just laid that one. Do you see any, Aurora? And then... No? No? Okay. Look at that. It's a pretty blue egg from cooking.
hey, look, somebody just laid an egg.
Hey.
There's two in there.
Oh,
You scared her out.
I got it.
nice.
job.
All right, show us your eggs. Let's see them. It's like Easter out here.
It's wonderful. Sometimes they'll be brown.
What are
sometimes
you
they'll be
smelling and listening for chicks or something? You
Smells like something.
smells like a chicken
chicks that have
booty.
stuff. Yeah, they'll come out the other side.
Oh, look at them.
Should be another one.
There she is.
Chicken butt? Does it smell like chicken butt? Hatch some little baby ones
Little guineas.
that will be ready for next year anyway. Yep. I'm actually going to move them up to one of those little coops up there in the up by the blueberries.
Yeah, Patty was just saying that they take care of snakes and other things in the blueberry patch, which is awesome.
Pick up bugs, blueberries that we drop, keep snakes away. And that's Azalea. He's not locked in there. He just likes to go in there.
What's up, Azalea?
It's actually a boy. I didn't know that when I named it, but
Oh, well, Azaleas
he
could be
finds a way
men
out there
too.
somehow.
We have Tank. He's wearing pink right now. He's a man.
Yeah. But I found him under the azalea bush in the front yard. So.
Ah, every animal here has a name. I wasn't filming earlier. I wasn't filming earlier when Patty was explaining the goats. There's Brady, who was born on Super Bowl Sunday, and the Force was on May the 4th. And
Another animal?
you had
Let's get Azalea over here. He's good to pet.
you have
Usually.
Twisted and Sister or something like
I
that.
have Sister and Blister.
Oh, Sister and
Yeah.
Blister, nice.
They were my first goats.
Azalea
Actually, it was Sister Blister and Mister, but Mister didn't last
Didn't make
long,
it.
So, yeah. And yeah, all the goats have names. The cows have names.
Yeah,
Stew and T-Bone. But,
Nice.
You know.
T-bone.
we plan on eating them, so we didn't want to name them like Daisy and.
Man, this is a great stew.
Where's the other?
I love it.
It's not a zoo.
The
No, this is the farm for sure.
They're actually grapes.
Oh, they grapes?
I do have scarpinons on that back one. They're still teeny tiny.
Are these green?
They're not ready to eat. They'll be purple. Plant these. You have to bury them like 3 feet in the ground.
3 feet.
Well,
Wait,
I
what?
have 2 feet.
Wait.
So you bought crowns?
You
What
buy the
are
crowns,
those? What are those?
asparagus, but it's not. You can't eat it when it's like this.
What are?
So what you do when you plant them is you have to dig a trench
Okay.
like 18 inches deep, and then you put them in
Wait,
there and you
what
cover
is
them up a little bit.
You plant them sideways or straight up?
And once they come up out of the ground, you put a little bit more dirt, and they come up. So it's kind of a process, you know. You don't just put them in the ground and bury them. So they're way down there.
Wow.
That's a pecan.
I got left behind on the tree.
There's much debate in the South here of what you call those things. Patty calls it a pecan. A pecan is what you put under the bed when you got to go at night. And
These are eggs.
and a pecan is what I call them, but I don't know if I'm right.
On the tree. Yeah.
Those are really more of a fall thing, so they're probably rotten.
Yeah.
Down.
710.
There you go. Now we owe you for 2.
Good job. 14, 15,
And this
16,
is
17. $15.
Gosh.
Can we eat them on the way home? 17.
Oh, we're gonna have blueberries for a while, honey.
And we've got some boxed up. I've got people planning to come get some, and we're gonna pick some more to take to the farmers market next week.
Hey, I
Yay.
can't.
A week from today.
I changed the song.
So come out to Florida Farmers Market. If you don't want to come out here and get hot and pick yourself, you can get them just like this at the farmers market. Poppy will be there.
Can we come back and
It's always
pick
an
more?
exciting thing
Dave,
to have
come
Poppy and
back
Patty.
pick more?
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Can we come back?
All right.
Thanks
so
for coming to Poppy's and Patty's. Come
Thank
back
you.
and see us.
Thanks for everything.
You bet.
You like blueberries?
Yeah.
Yeah. Me too. Good job picking blueberries today, honey.
Thanks.
Blueberry Waffles by Heather. Belgian Waffles. Yeah, by Mommy. That's right.
Can I have a blueberry kiss?
Nope. She says no. No means no, Mom.
Here.
Thank you for coming on our little field trip with my family. We look forward to making more videos like this, and if you'd like, you can support our efforts by going to patreon.com/growandeatit. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. We'll try to answer them the best we can. Thanks again. I'm Dave Palmer. Grow and eat it.